Hi, I'm John, and today we're in the UTV dyno room at S&S Cycle, and we're going to be talking to you about our PowerTune XTO muffler, which is part of our Offroad Division product line. Performance power sports is what we do best, and we're excited to bring 60+ years of experience to the side-by-side space. Instead of bolting on a pair of motorcycle mufflers like other companies do, we've created an exhaust design specifically for the off-road market. Constructed of 100% stainless steel, the PowerTune XTO includes forestry-approved spark arresters and our trademark removable dB reducers. Improve off-the-line and top-end performance in your Razor XP Pro, XP Turbo, XP 1000, as well as the Honda Talon and the Kawasaki KRX. The mufflers can be tuned for sound and power by swapping out the dB reducers. We also offer a tuning kit with a collection of different options that will help you find the sound and power combination for your rig. Dealers will appreciate that we're also offering an emissions legal version that will allow you to bolt on the side-by-sides right in the showroom. So that's the PowerTune XTO. We're excited we'll be launching this early spring for your Razor and Talon models, with other models to follow.